What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you will be connecting your Xbox One controller to your Xbox One. Also, if you have like an Xbox One S, pretty much it'll be in a different spot, but I'll show you where to do both of them at. So with the basic Xbox One, what you're going to want to do first is come to your controller, and if you look at your controller, there'll be a little sync button that's at the top here. So what you want to do is, first you want to have your Xbox One system on. You want to press that button right here. See how it's blinking? Then on your Xbox One, you will come up to the side right here, and you're going to want to press this right here on your regular Xbox One, and you'll see it start to blink. And once you do that, you saw they both turn solid. What that tells you now is that this Xbox One controller is connected now to this Xbox One system. And if you have the Xbox One S series, what you're going to do is look right where you see your Xbox lit up at, right up underneath there, right here. It'll be another button right there that you want to go ahead and press. You'll press that button right here, and then you'll do the same thing to your Xbox controller, pressing that top sync button that's up here, and let that blink, and that's how you would connect it to your Xbox One S pretty much series. But alright, this is, and also if you're having an issue with, say, connecting your controller period to your Xbox, say for some reason it just won't sync correctly, you can always use your cord that comes with it, which I believe is like a Type-C, that'll basically just plug up. If you look right here on the top of your Xbox controller, you would just plug this part into here. And then on this Xbox One over here, you will come over to the side over here, and you'll have an opening right here that you will plug the USB port inside of. Also, you'll have a few spots on the back of your Xbox One that you can also plug your USB cord into on the back of this one. So this is how you will be connecting your Xbox One controllers to your Xbox One. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.